Hello, welcome to Gayathri's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to cook perfect quinoa in the pressure cooker. So let's get into the process. For this I am taking 2 cups of quinoa in a pressure cooker. Now rinse well and drain the water. I am doing it 2 times. For 1 cup of quinoa, add 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Depends on how soft you like your quinoa. Here I am adding 3.5 cups of water for 2 cups of quinoa. Now close the lid and cook it on medium flame, only on medium flame until 1 whistle. 2 whistles are also fine. Do not cook it on high flame. If you cook it on high flame, the quinoa will get stuck through the pressure valve. We don't want that. After 1 whistle, cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. As you can see here, I am cooking it on electric stove top. So I will turn off the stove now and keep the cooker on the hot surface for 5 minutes, and that should be enough. All the pressure is gone, so let's see how it is. See, it is perfectly cooked. As I said, you can always adjust the water amount as per your liking. We like it this way. Today we are having it with mushroom fry and tomato chutney. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.